Remax coming to you from 8449 Nandina Drive in Sarasota, Florida. We're really excited about this house. Really shined up well. A lot of exciting stuff in here. It's just a great floor plan, great community. It's right off of Palmer Boulevard, just west of Lorraine Road, close to Bee Ridge, close to Fruitville, really close to everything. A lot of golf courses out here, and as everybody knows, a ton of development. So this was built by Ryland Homes back in 2013, so fairly new build on here, and great floor plan. It is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with an additional flex room that is you can use as a den or an office or whatnot. So I'm going to take you through here. I'm right now in the main, the great room right there. That's the additional flex room that I was talking about right there. Through here, we have all this, but I'm So here we are in the great room overlooking the kitchen, which has a really nice sized island, as you can see here, and granite countertops, of course. This is your dining area here. I want to point out these are real hardwood floors, so they really tie everything nicely together. I want to point out as well all the room that you have here in this great room. So great for entertaining right here in the kitchen, and overlooking to the living room. Obviously a lot of potential with what you can do, however you want to shape it. This is just one of the variations that you can do. So just wanted to point out one more thing over here at 8449 Nandina is we're in the front porch right here, which a lot of people haven't chosen to get screened in. They did right here. So I'll kind of show you the space that you have. I'm going to turn you around so you can see that that's the front door back there as you go in. It's a great place for Adirondack chairs or rocking chairs or whatever you want. So again, this is 8449 Nandina Drive. Brett Kaiser with